We all sell products online, and the question that always comes to our minds and the problem we constantly face is low sales. And the reason, my friend, behind these low sales is that you are not creating content and you are not creating ads for your product. So imagine this. I have a coffee mug that I sell, and it's designed for summer. What do you think would happen if we paid a content creator to make a video like this?
Guys, this is honestly my favorite mug this summer. It just makes every drink feel better. If you love coffee like me, you need this. Trust me, it's worth it.
I think you're already convinced. This would increase sales in a huge way. Okay, but what if the creator made a video like this?
Just got this mug and wow, the quality is amazing. It feels premium, looks clean, and honestly, it's perfect for everyday use. Definitely recommend this.
You all know that unboxing videos bring in a lot of sales. But I already know the question going through your mind right now. Creators charge crazy amounts of money to produce videos like these. But would you believe me if I told you I created both of these videos using AI with just one click? Come with me right now. Let me show you exactly how to create amazing videos for your products so you can use them in ads and post them as content on social media. Today, Marketing Studio was officially launched inside the Higgsfield platform, and this is a brand new tool that transforms your product images into full, complete advertisements. And you already know that Higgsfield is a complete AI platform. It helps you create images using the latest AI models. It also helps you create videos, audio, and much more, all powered by cutting-edge AI technology. Now, when it comes to the marketing tool, you can simply upload your product image or just paste your product link, and it will generate multiple ads for you in one click, and they look amazing. Not only that, you can also create your own avatar and use it inside these videos and clips to drive even more sales. You can also create UGC ads and CGI ads to post on social media, promote your product, or even create ads for big brands, all with just one click. And here's the best part about this powerful tool. It uses the Seedance 2 model to generate these videos, which is the latest video generation model, meaning you'll get the highest possible quality and resolution. Now the question is, what types of videos can this tool actually create? This tool creates almost every type of product ad video you can imagine, starting from UGC to product unboxing to product reviews, all the way to big brand style advertisements. Basically, almost every type of ad. So if you're selling anything online, you can easily create a professional ad video for it with just one click. And now, let's move to the practical part, where I'll show you exactly how to use this tool step by step. In the beginning here, all we need to do is write the prompt in this area. Then we choose the type of ad from here. You'll find many types of ads like unboxing ads, video ads, UGC, brand ads, and more. I'm going to leave it on UGC ads. Then from here, you select the video dimensions. And after that, we move to the product section, where you add your product images or your product link. And here in the avatar section, you choose a character that you want to appear in the video, or you can create your own custom character. Everything is available. You'll notice when we click on the avatar section, there are many professionally created characters that you can use in your videos. And here, there's also a Create Avatar option. When we click on it, all you have to do is write a description of the character you want, right here, then press Generate. And in just 1 second, it created these images. I personally think these images are not perfect for UGC ads, so I'll ask it to make some adjustments to this character. And now you can see it generated 4 new images that are much more suitable for social media ads and videos. I'm going to choose this character. Then we go to the product section. To add our product, you can paste your product link if you have a website, or you can create a product by uploading images. For example, I want to create an ad for this summer product, so I'll upload the image, and the platform automatically, using AI, writes a very accurate product description without you needing to type anything. And this is a very powerful feature that saves you a lot of time. After uploading the images, all we have to do is click on Create Product, then select the product, and you'll see it added right here next to the avatar. I'll keep the ad type as UGC, then I'll choose the video dimensions. I want to create a short video in 9:16 format. Then I'll choose the video duration. Let's keep it at 9 seconds. And after that, I'll simply write the video description in this box, that this person is walking on the beach and encouraging people to buy this mug. And now, let's see the result together after clicking Generate Video.
Guys, this is honestly my favorite mug this summer. It just makes every drink feel better. If you love coffee like me, you need this. Trust me, it's worth it.
As you can see, the result from the first try is amazing. For me, it doesn't need any edits, and I'm 100% sure these videos will achieve high views, and as a result, bring in hundreds of orders and sales for your product. And to make our review of this new Higgsfield tool complete, let's try another ad type, the unboxing ad, for the same product. All we need to do is change the ad type from UGC to unboxing. Then, write the ad description here in the same way. And you can also click on this plus icon to add more product images, especially if you have images of the product while it's packaged, so it can create a realistic unboxing experience. Then we click Generate Video, and let's see the result.
Just got this mug and wow, the quality is amazing. It feels premium, looks clean, and honestly, it's perfect for everyday use. Definitely recommend this.
The result is incredible again, from the first try. I'm honestly impressed by the accuracy of this video. You literally cannot tell whether this is a real video or one created using AI. And that is the power and precision of this new advertising tool inside Higgsfield. And it doesn't stop at creating reviews and ad videos for physical products only. For example, we as digital product creators can also use this tool to create amazing ads. So let me go back again to the product section, and I'll upload the image of this kid's coloring book. And in the same way, I'll write the ad description that I want. Then I'll set the ad settings to UGC ads. And now we click Generate, and let's see the result together.
If you're looking for something fun and educational for your kids, this coloring book is amazing. It keeps them busy, helps them learn, and they actually enjoy it. Highly recommend for every parent.
You'll see that the result is absolutely incredible. And I'm 100% sure this will increase your digital product sales in a massive way, if you use it the right way. You'll find all the links I used down below this video and in the pinned comment. And here's a very important note. Please, when you create an ad like this for your book, you must upload some of the interior pages of the book so the AI can show the correct pages inside your product. And what's even more impressive, if we go back and choose an unboxing ad instead of UGC for the same book and click Generate,
this coloring book is perfect for kids. It's fun, creative, and really helps them learn while playing. You can see you want something meaningful for your child. This is a great choice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Just look at this amazing result. I'm honestly very impressed with this platform, and I truly hope you take advantage of it, because if you apply this method correctly, it can boost your sales in a huge way. I hope you found value in today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.